happening today, a key day in court in what might be the next step in the possible retrial of Debra Milke, a former death row inmate who has now been freed. And what can we be seeing here today is what this could hinge on is a detective's testimony. Now, Milke was released earlier this month. She was spent 33 years on death row. She was convicted in the murder of her 4-year-old son, Christopher, back in 1989. It was a detective who testified against her at the time, saying that she confessed to the crime, although she denied it, and there was no tape recording of that confession. So the appeals court ended up throwing out her conviction and her sentence, questioning the validity of her confession. And there's also some questions about misconduct surrounding that detective. Now, we could learn later today whether that detective will invoke his Fifth Amendment rights or whether he will testify in the case. Now, that could be very key because the confession was a very key piece of evidence back at the time of this original trial. Without that confession, it's unsure what the prosecution would do in going forward. The hearings are set here with several motions to be considered at 1:30. Live here in downtown Phoenix, I'm Angie Holdsworth, ABC 15 News.